Our estate was going to be sold as cleared ground, I quote. One of the residents said, "Why do you want to demolish it and turf us out? It's a lovely estate." And I said, if they've got just cleared land, they can make a fortune just selling the land off.
At the time of the construction of the buildings, which was the early 70s, unbeknown to me, Artex contained asbestos. Therefore, the operatives and the resident in that dwelling, who was continued in residence during the whole of this time, are put at risk of terminal disease. This gross array of pipes, which is strewn all over the wall here of a listed building, completely without any listed building consent, penetrating the blockwork. This abuse and degradation is happening all over the site. I'm told that this roof leak has been going on for the last 8 years. The building is crying, and I'm tempted to weep with it.
They're more scared of something like Twitter than they are of individuals here, because Twitter is national, it's global. There are other very active people on Twitter, and if these people start talking to each other and start acting together, Lambeth is going to be exposed. They're being exposed, but it has a cumulative effect. So that's why that they think that they can control individuals by excluding them, but they know that they can't control Twitter.